Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on changing the trigger of your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This process is straightforward, but requires attention to detail. Let's begin by gathering the necessary tools. Tools needed: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, compressed air canister for cleaning, protective gloves, optional. Step 1. Preparing the vacuum. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is completely powered off and unplugged. Safety is crucial here. Before we dive into the trigger replacement, let's clean the internal components. Using the compressed air canister, blow out any dust or debris from the motor compartment. This will prevent any particles from interfering with the new trigger. Step 2. Accessing the trigger area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. You'll typically find 3 screws. Ensure you keep these in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off to expose the internal mechanism. Step 3. Detaching the old trigger. Locate the trigger mechanism. It's usually connected by a small clip. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the clip open. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. Remember, if you're feeling stuck at any point, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you avoid mistakes. Step 4. Installing the new trigger. Take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. If you don't have the tools necessary for this project, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Step 5. Reassembling the vacuum. Once the new trigger is installed, carefully replace the back cover. Align it properly and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this may strip the screws. Step 6. Final cleaning. After reassembling, take a moment to clean the vacuum's exterior. A simple wipe with a damp cloth will keep it looking brand new. For an optimal experience, consider our quote before repair service, which provides you with upfront pricing to avoid any surprises. Step 7. Testing the new trigger. Plug in your Dyson SV12 and power it on. Test the new trigger to ensure it functions correctly. If everything sounds good, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We pride ourselves on offering no calls, no travel services, just convenience at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your device, so keep an eye on its performance. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has empowered you to take on your vacuum repairs with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.